Hi friends, are you really worried about your English? Are you one of those who work day and night to improve their English? No need to worry now because here is Mission English with the solution of all your problems. Hi, this is Sanjeev Kesri and today I'm going to share lots of information regarding spoken English and English language. Friends, I'm going to give you some tips which will totally energize you regarding English, and after knowing these all things, certainly you will be in a position to speak good English and you will feel immense power inside you that will help you to speak English well. And you won't have any problem after knowing these all things. Let's see what are these tips. Number one, consult dictionary. Look up dictionary. It means every day you have to consult dictionary and you have to look up dictionary for 30 minutes. Make it a habit. Make it a habit. Now you might be thinking that which words and what type of words will you find out in dictionary? Don't worry. You take a book, story book in English. No need that you have to read your own book, no problem. If you read your own book also, that is no problem. So any storybook, there are so many story books in English available in market. You buy that book, okay, and read one page, only one page, and find out all those words which you don't know. Make a list of all those words that you don't know in a page and look up dictionary and consult dictionary and find out the meaning of those words. And now what you have to do when you are searching the meaning of that word in a dictionary, above that word and below that word, you will find so many interesting words. You will find so many useful words and note down all those words. You must have a passion regarding words, because if you don't know words, you can't think of good English. If you want to get a house constructed, if you want to get a house built, we need bricks, because bricks are the basic materials of a house. In the same way, words are the bricks of English language. If you have words, you can build the castle of English. Okay, so you have to find new words from dictionary. And if you are in the habit of consulting dictionary every day, if you are in the habit of looking up dictionary every day, certainly your vocabulary, your word power, your English will be strong. I mean to say that if you have so many words, if you have collection of words, nobody can stop you to speak English, to write English. And with the help of these old words, you will get ideas. So you have to consult dictionary, you have to find the meaning of the words, and you note down all those words and memorize them. Memorize all those words and their utilization also you have to keep it in mind. Okay, so number one thing is there, you have to consult dictionary every day, make it a habit, and you must be passionate regarding words. Clear? Second, make it a habit of writing every day 5 to 10 lines. It means you have to write 5 to 10 sentences about any particular topic. Make a list of the topics. Okay, just I'm telling you what are the things that you can write. As for example, you make a list: father, mother, brother, sister, family, school, college, station, cricket, my favorite actor, my favorite actress, and there are so many things, mobile, station. Like that you make a list. You make a list of all those items that you want to write, and you have to write. And give a date beside that. That this topic I have to write today, this tomorrow, 1st August, 2nd August, 3rd August, 4th August, 5th August, like that. So make it a habit of writing every day. Guys, if you write about a topic every day, 5, not more than 10 lines. You have not to write an essay. You have to write a passage only, a small passage. And that is also 5 to 10 sentences. Clear? So if you are in the habit of writing 5 to 10 sentences every day, now what you have to do? You have to utilize all those words what you have got and you have obtained or you have learned from the dictionary in this passage. Try to utilize those words in this passage. So every day if you write 5 to 10 sentences about a particular topic, suppose today you have to write about your father. So you can write. So number one, you have to look up dictionary, you have to consult dictionary, and you have to find new words every day, because until and unless you have collection of words, you can't think of speaking English, you can't think of writing English. Nothing you can do in English without collection of words or without words. Okay. Number two, that you have to write every day 5 to 10 sentences, which are very important. That if you want to improve your English, you will have to work out. Whether it is speaking or writing, you will have to work out, you will have to know all those words, and you will have to know how to utilize those words. When you speak about any topic, that these will help you when speaking. Okay. Number three, you have to speak the same thing what you write every day. Suppose today you have written about father, so you have to speak about your father. You have to say the same thing again and again. You have to speak the same thing what you have written. You can add some more things in that. So you have to speak whenever you get time, the whole day, the same topic. Wherever you are walking on road, you can speak the same thing. You are alone sitting in your house, you can speak the same thing. And whenever you speak these things, whenever you speak these sentences, please record your voice in your mobile and listen to your voice and listen to your speech, listen to your speaking, listen to your sentences, listen what you have recorded attentively and properly, and see, when you listen to your words, when you listen to the same thing what you speak, what you have spoken, what you speak, it will improve your confidence level, and you will feel that now I am speaking. Okay, this is very simple thing and very interesting thing, that after writing you have to speak the same thing what you write every day, and you have to record it in your mobile, and you have to listen to it carefully and attentively, and certainly it will enhance, it will increase, it will just embolden your English, and it will just build your confidence level, it will enhance your confidence level, and after that you won't have any problem, you will not feel any problem while speaking. Okay, this was the third. Number four, as we know that we have many friends, so make a group of such friends who are interested in English or who are interested in improving English. Okay, and make a time that between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. or between 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. at night, we will chat in English. We will chat in English on WhatsApp or on Telegram, and the chatting will be in English. Decide, all of you decide together that time will be English chat time. We will chat in English. We will converse in English. What messages I write, I will write in English and you will answer in English. That you have to do. Right or wrong, that you have not to think about that. First, you create an atmosphere and environment. If you want to play cricket, you will have to go to the field. You will have to just stand on the pitch. You will have to hold the bat. You will have to feel the atmosphere and environment of that cricket. You will have to create an atmosphere and environment of that thing. In the same way, if you want to speak English well, you will have to create an atmosphere and environment. So start chatting with your friends in English in mobile, with the help of mobile. That you have to do for 30 minutes to 1 hour every day. And you can do it. It's very simple. Every day we chat with so many people. So that chatting, with that chatting, apart from this chatting, you make a time that for 30 minutes or for 1 hour or for hardly 10 minutes, we will talk in English with the help of mobile. If you call him or if he calls you, start talking in English. Small things, very simple structure. So this thing will, it will create a sense of speaking. It will create a sense of speaking. It will just create an interest inside you. So this is very important that you have to do. One thing, that you have to chat in English, and then you have to talk in English. You have to talk to your friends in English for 30 minutes or 1 hour as and when you have time. And if you are in leisure, if you are free, you can talk to your friends for 2 hours also, no problem. So this will enhance your English. This will improve your confidence level, and certainly you can speak if you do the same. And number 5, talk to yourself. Talk to yourself. Whenever you are free, you talk to yourself. Suppose you are taking bath or you are bathing, you are taking shower in bathroom, you do nothing, you start talking and say something, and just like mad, you will have to be crazy. So start speaking like that. You are bathing and just start speaking about your any friend, that my friend is Mohan, he is jealous of me, he's in the habit of playing cricket, but he's proud also. I don't like him. Yeah, I like Chamin very much. After bathing, just I'll go to my college and there I'll meet my friends. This evening I will meet my friend will come to my house, and this is very good. Wow, the soap is very nice. The soap is very nice. I'm bathing and just talking to myself. Do this thing. Okay, if you're on road, you do nothing. You see here and there. You think lots of things, petty things. But while walking on road, you talk to yourself. Let the people think what they say. You might be thinking, if I talk to myself, people will think I'm mad. No, 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 let it be. Let the people go to hell. You have not to think about the people. They are not worried about your English. You have to be worried about your English. It is you who have to think. It is you who have to improve your English, not the people. So don't think about the people. You think about yourself, that what you have to do. And these are the things that you have to do to improve your English. If you want to have good communication skill, if you want to speak English well, you will have to douse inside that. You will have to douse into the world of English. You will have to create an atmosphere. You will have to create an environment of English. Because if you want to be a wrestler, you will have to wrestle in the ring. So whatever we want to do, we have to do the same thing. We have to learn the same thing by doing the same thing. So if you want to speak English well, for that you will have to speak. And the more you speak, the better English you will have. So guys, I think that if you follow these all things, these certain things, certainly you will get that power of English. You will get that power of communication skill that nobody can defeat you, and you will feel self-confidence. You will feel immense power inside you, and you will be confident to speak English. Okay, so guys, I hope that you must have understood all the things what I wanted to inculcate you, what I wanted to convey you. Start working over these all things, start doing these all things, and let's see that what change will come in your English, and certainly you will speak English well. And in my coming videos, you will find such informations which will certainly help you to speak English well. Thank you.